Thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. I'm in the Texas Panhandle visiting a customer, and I wanted to show you this 65-pound hard mount 200 GeForce extract washer. It's in the extract speed now, and I hear a lot of knocks on Electrolux, but this machine is clearly distributed evenly, spinning evenly, no shaking or vibration. You can see it's got the new Compass Pro control on it. I'll zoom up on that. 2 minutes left in the cycle. But this is, people have asked why I've switched to Electrolux, and I'll quite frankly say this machine is very well built. It has tremendous features that allow this machine, when it ramps up to the 200 GeForce, to distribute the load properly so it doesn't go out of balance. It also, if it does go out of balance, it will reduce the speed. On competitors' models, they have what's called a manual kill switch. So when the machine starts vibrating violently, it'll turn off, and a lot of that time, the damage is already done to the installation or to the machine. So take a look at this. If you have any questions or comments, as always, give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.